welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tina and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be like a haul video. If you're not aware, then Flipkart has just launched Spoil, which is like a one-stop destination for clothing. Like you get so many affordable clothes starting from 200 rupees. The collection is really awesome. It's very similar to Myntra, but it's even less than Myntra. The prices are even less than Myntra, which is so great. You should definitely check the website once. But yeah, all in all, I shopped a few items from Flipkart, from Spoil on Flipkart. So let's do a haul. So I have all the items that I've shopped in this bag. Let's just start quickly. I'm going to show you all one by one what I have shopped, and on the side I'll be playing like a video of me wearing, like it's going to be like a try on haul. At the side I'm going to talk about the products here. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so beginning with my favorite piece of clothing, which is this blue ruffle dress. I'm absolutely in love with this dress. The material is so good. It's very thick. It's slight loose to me. I usually wear medium in dresses. This is medium size, but it's a bit loose. As you can see, I've attached like a safety pin when I wore it. But it's okay, it can be altered. This ruffle design is something that I love so much. And these kind of dresses are actually trendy right now. So I really wanted to try it. And I got this for around 800 or 900 rupees. I'm going to put the exact price here. It's so worth it, and definitely you all should check this item out. Coming to the next product is this floral dress. Okay, so it looks kind of short when I hold like this, but you all can see me wearing the dress. It's not that short, and it has a chain at the back, and the main part is this flowy pattern, which has like at the bottom there's like a flowy pattern. I just love it. It's off shoulder, and of course my tattoo is visible, and that's why I just like this dress so much. Just kidding. This dress is also very reasonable. I got it around 400 or 500 rupees, which is pretty much it. Okay, so I forgot to mention my total bill was 5,000 rupees, which is pretty affordable because I got around 11 items in that, and all the items are very great. I mean, the material, the look, everything is so awesome. You will see in the haul. So let's move on. Next item is this set. It's like a blazer set. This is the blazer. It has like a puffy kind of a look here at the sleeve, and at the neck it has a pattern like this. You will see here in the video what I'm exactly talking about. Material is super good. It's very thick. You all can even wear it at the offices or any formal events. I wore it for my sister's birthday party. You can wear it anywhere. This is the pant of the set. It's like not stretchable. It's comfortable. If you order like perfectly to your size, this is medium size, then it will fit you exactly, like it's true to your size. It's perfect for me, and I actually loved it. The length, everything is so good, and the color is looking like nice as well. There were like more 6 to 7 color options available in this, so if you want, you can check this one out. It's again red in color, but this time this is a top. So it's puffy sleeve. Like, and there's this pattern at the bottom of the sleeve, like, you know, if you can see this. I actually loved it. I got it for around 230 or maximum 250 around, and it was so good because it's not see-through at all. The material is thick, and that's what I like about it. So yeah, there were colors available in this as well, so you can check this one out. Next item is this green skirt. Oh my god, I just love it. I wore it at an event recently and it was looking bomb. That's why it's thoda sa dirty because I already wore it. But yeah, it's very nice. I mean, there's this button pattern which looks awesome. It's actually a skirt. It's not a skirt. It's a skirt. I forgot to mention. But it's very good. The quality is great, and the look is also too good for this skirt. Next item is one of my favorite items. I mean, it's really good. It's a one shoulder dress, black one piece. Black never goes wrong. And yeah, this one piece has a slit at the bottom, and it's one shoulder, like it's full sleeves. It's a really good one piece. I just love how it fits me, how it looks on me, and I got this for around 500 or 600. I'll put the exact prices below the dress so you all can just see how affordable it is, and it's really good. Next purchase is also a skirt. So I had a black skirt already. I wanted a white one since long, and I finally got this one. It's so good. I mean, it goes with this top also. It's nice. I was actually worried because this is white in color, so I thought that see through होगा तो problem हो जाएगा. जरा भी see through नहीं है. It's very thick and thick मतलब ये नहीं कि बहुत uncomfortable होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा breathable and comfortable है. And white goes with so many colors together, so this is gonna be like a very good purchase for me at least. So yeah. Next item is this one piece. So I loved how cute this one looks. I mean, this color is also too good, and I loved this pattern up right here. I wore this at an event recently and it looked really good. So, and then this I got it for 300 rupees, which is pretty much affordable for a one piece like this. There were like so many color options for this one as well. Moving on, there's another like a blazer set kind of a thing, but this is a 3-piece set. So I'll just show you. There is this singlet top. This is a blazer. It has buttons. You can even close it and wear it, or just like that. And there is this skirt. You all can even wear it without the blazer, or with the blazer also. It looks really good. I'll have tried both the items. You all must be seeing it. So this is also great. I got this for 650 rupees. So entire cord set, 3-piece cord set, and 650 is like a great deal. So there were 2 more items which I actually returned. I will just put the video here and then I'll talk about it. So this blue dress, which was actually like very fit to me. I was not actually liking the fit. It was very tight, I would say. I ordered it medium size maybe, but it was because there was like a cutout situation here. I was feeling very fit, so I decided to like return the outfit. And another outfit was this pink one. So this pink one looked great, looked so good. And but the only problem was like you have to wear it. Though it's like attached 2-piece ना, so पहले नीचे का पहनना पड़ता है and then ऊपर का पहनना पड़ता है. So पहनने का तो हो जाता है easily, but निकालने के लिए ऊपर का फिर बहुत ज़्यादा tight feel हो रहा था. So again, it was not comfortable to me, and that's why I returned that. Instead of that, I ordered another 3-piece set, which I will put a picture here. And I'm really excited because I'm sure that's gonna turn out and look good. So yeah, if by the time I edit the video I'm able to like receive that product, I'll definitely add video how it looks on me. We are coming at the end of the video. I hope that you all like this video, and if you want more hauls then please let me know in the comments which website would you want me to try next. Let me know, and what else would you like to see, like any topics that you all want me to make videos on, then definitely let me know. I'm definitely trying my best to be consistent now. I've already shot videos in a long format, so I just hope that it works for me and I am able to be consistent. Thank you so much for supporting me, and if you have watched till here, then love you. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and okay, yeah, so all the products will be linked in my description box. I will put the links of all the products. You all can go check it out. Check out Spoil on Flipkart. You will definitely love it because it's definitely gonna be my go-to shopping place now for online shopping, because the collection is too good and it has like a lot of great brands, and the deals are awesome because it has just launched. So they are offering like a lot of discounts on every piece of clothing, like not only clothing, but if they have footwear, accessories, and so much more. So you all should definitely check it out. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.